So hello everyone, welcome to Topper Talk series of GATE 2021. I am happy to announce that one of my, one of our student got rank 100, and as you know that last year we suffered lot. Education system hampered a lot. Most of the students are frustrated because they didn't get the offline coaching. But one of our students who enrolled for Deep Learn, and this year he succeeded like anything and got all India rank 100. So I congratulate Mr. Avijit, and I should say that you should express yourself and you should tell me how you're feeling now, Avijit.
Thank you, sir. First of all, thank you, sir. And I thank ACE Academy for providing such a good education in this COVID pandemic, which helped me a lot during my GATE preparation and helped in securing that good rank, sir. Thank you, sir.
So this year you got rank 100, right?
Yes, sir.
So you expect like rank 100 or you expect below 100?
No, sir. It's completely unexpected, sir. I was expecting around under 500 rank, but sir, under 100 rank, sir, it's completely unexpected. Sir.
Okay, so tell me about your family reaction when
Sir,
they know.
Sir, when I first see my result, I go to my mom and I said I got all India rank 100. She said, "What? All India rank 100 or 1,000?" I said, "It's 100, ma'am." She didn't believe that I got all India rank 100, and we were all happy. We partied. We didn't sleep that night, and now joy is all over, sir.
So do you know one of the like we feel very proud, when our student got a rank. That is a written gift, right? So as a faculty member, like I'm very happy that you got a very good rank. Now tell me about what you did this year, special thing, so that you achieved this much good rank. Like most of the students are thinking that how to get rank less than 100. What you did during the preparation? Any special strategy or any success mantra?
Okay, sir. Sir, actually, last year I wrote a gate and I got 46 marks. So I was not prepared well. I prepared only for 1 month. So when I got the 46 marks, I motivated, said, if I prepare for the 1 month and I am getting 46 marks, so if I prepare sincerely for 7 or 8 months, I will definitely get a good rank. Then, sir, I joined ACE online classes. After that, sir, the questions which are solved in the ACE classes is a tricky one. So that tricky questions I used to solve after the class, and the previous year questions, sir, which I think is the most important, sir, because when you see the previous year question, you are able to get how the questions are asked in the gate. So that my mainly focusing on solving more and more question and not focusing much on the theory. I used to solve sir, more and the more question, which gives me the conceptual clarity as well as numerical ability skills. So, sir, I only say that if you solve the more and more questions now, your accuracy will improve and you will get a definitely get a good ranks.
So tell me about like impact of ACE academic classes and test series on your success. What is the impact, right?
Actually, sir, I used to live a very far from the city where the these online coachings are there. Sir, it's the after the pandemic, every coaching get closed and they are providing the online coaching, sir. If this online coaching was not there, no, sir, I will not be able to prepare for the gate. Because of this online coaching, I am able to prepare from my home itself, sir. So that's I think is a good thing which have happened to me in this pandemic, sir.
So now I can see the happiness on your face, like you got 100 rank, and I strongly believe getting in gate examination, getting rank 100 is not a easy task, right? You need to
Yes.
like prepare like anything, and suppose one mistake if you did, your rank is somewhere else. Maybe
Yes.
you also did some mistake in examination, maybe one or two questions, maybe,
Yes, sir.
right? So now you tell me what means how you prepared like test series, how you manage your time, and how many papers you solved in the month of November, December, January. So tell me about your preparation.
Okay. Sir, actually, I used to give the test whenever completed my subject. Whenever I had done the previous year gate questions, ACE booklet questions, I used to give the full syllabus test and topic wise test. And this I continued till the month of December and first week of the January. After that, sir, I start focusing on the revising the things or the concepts or formula which I've learned, and some tricky questions which I've marked that I will see before going to the exam. Sir, the test series, sir, I think is the most important part, sir. When I first started writing the test series, I was getting only 50, 60 marks. But when the times goes and I was starting giving more and more tests, I am become more accurate, and my rank or my marks also start increasing, sir. So that gives a additional boost. Whenever you see your marks increasing, so you will motivate it like anything, sir. So you think that this exam is easy, and you will start preparing much and much more effortly.
So you're BTech from which college?
Sir, YMC University of Science and Technology, Faridabad, in 2020, sir.
So you are from Faridabad.
Yes, sir.
So you are local from Faridabad.
Yes, sir.
So no, you are the like inspiration to so many students. Most of the students are thinking that if they have NIT or IIT, then only they will get the good rank. But you break that myth and you completely change the scenario. So most of the juniors will inspire from you now. So what you want to give message to your juniors and the student who want to prepare for next year GATE examination? What is your message?
Sir, my only advice to those students who are giving GATE 2022 is that start preparing as early as possible, because it will give you the additional advantage. You will have the more time to solve papers, more time to revise. And second most important thing is don't ever leave aptitude, because it has a good weightage. It has a very good weightage, and if you leave aptitude now, your rank will shift very drastically. So prepare as much as possible aptitude also. So this is my advice, sir.
Like you said that you state is far away from the city, then there is
Yes.
no classes. But now you tell me how you feel about this ACE Academy live classes. How you feel about this? Like, do you feel that array offline classes not there? I'm taking online. Are you feel boring or you feel what is your reaction?
Sir, ACE Academy online classes, sir, it's like a life changer for me, sir. If this is not, there are not online classes, no, sir, I will not able to take any classes in any of the coaching institutes, sir. I have to prepare myself, and I don't even know how to prepare, which subject to prepare, and how much to prepare, sir. These online classes help me to know which subject I have to prepare and how much deep I have to go to teach that subject. If I earlier I used to read a book, conceptual book, theory book, that big books, and I used to spend 2 months, 3 months in studying only one subject only. Sir, if I prepared in that way, no, sir, I only prepared 3 or 4 subjects and my GATE will be gone, sir. Because of, sir, this online classes, sir, I get a chance to uh, be in the live classes for the ACE Academy, and the faculty helped me a lot during my preparation. Whenever I feel any doubt, I used to call Mr. Shivam sir, Vijay sir. They helped me a lot and guiding me during this pandemic, sir. It's like anything, sir. It's very good, sir.
So what is your next step? What do you want to, where you want to go, in PSU side or in a research side, or where you want to go?
PSU, sir. I want to be in a PSU, sir.
So you want a job?
Yes, sir.
So wish you a great life ahead, Abhijit. You make us proud, and hope in future also you will make us proud. So do wherever you are, do your best. And from ACE Academy and from my side, best wishes for your good life. Okay.
Thank you, sir.